Tension don high because of private jet. My correct people, tension don high. Mariam tension don high. In short, the high blood pressure. The high blood pressure don high seriously because of say Elizabeth don surprise Ooni of Ife with private jet as we just dey now we just dey hear for our side say hey, no be small tin. I know say na competition na dem dey do for Ooni of Ife palace. Say na Mariam dey use money dey do competition. Na another person come when e pass am, the thing come shock Mariam. You know, any place where they do competition, they no dey like each other for there. You understand me? So my people, nobody fit follow Mariam do competition since all these days. Nobody. Ashley get money. You understand? They no fit. Nobody fit follow and do competition. This person no get money na Ronke forget that thing. You know say people when no get money, na dem dey think say dem come dey classify Ronke say Ronke get money. You know why? Because dem no get. You understand me? In the name of Ooni of Ife, na Ronke take dey live. Ronke don have shishi because of the love wey Ooni of Ife get for her. Na im make am. E dey all those things wey e dey do, pre ten se things for palace. My people, I don show with another correct gist of a private jet and a wahala tension when e dey for palace. You know say as a marry Elizabeth come go back to where e come from, Scotland. Yes, because of the this dream wey dem say she dey get. She first go her mama place, from there she come go come back from there. They come they always dey dey with Ooni of Ife. You understand? So that thing come really cause trouble. She come travel come back right now when be say that they do competition, as we dey hear for social media now, as the gist just come meet us now say no, make I come tell my people make I come tell my people wetin dey happen concerning the private jet when Elizabeth buy. Only God come know. Ashley go come buy ewedu like ewedu Ashley dey sell na ewedu shop. Oh, but amala and ewedu. I no laugh am o. Na him know, everybody na him know what the business when he hold and when he want to. You understand, my guys? So my correct people, welcome to Bose Corners TV. Abeg make you share this video, subscribe, share, make you put on the notification bell so that anytime when we dey carry gist dey come, you go dey see am. So make you follow me for my Facebook page. Also follow the page, as make you go search Bose Corners TV. Make you search am for Facebook. You go see am, you go come and follow am, make you like am too. Love the channel. So my people, not be news again o. This thing when we hear say Mariam do. Mariam, you know say Mariam na him go dey open this thing. As you know, house place where village where one eye dey, one eye, maybe all of them go blind, one eye go dey there. Na that one eye na him dey be king for that village. So na wetin happen na im be that one. I'm not talking, I just make profile before now come here say she's insulting the Ooni of Ife. Hey, she's insulting Mariam, she's insulting this Mariam. See, as far as Oburewa no insult Queen Naomi, me and Mariam we are good to go now, abi guys. Oburewa no cause Mariam, he no cause Queen Naomi, so he no bully Queen Naomi for now. We are good to go. I dey monitor her this thing. You understand? So my correct people, I don carry gist. This gist when I carry come so they say no be heavy this thing. Say Mariam now e don dey too much for palace, because Mariam e use all im money. As I see am, so say Mariam don broke because e don use im money, e don use am spray people finish. Mariam when he go party, go dey spray dollar. When be say according to wetin I hear, say they suppose to invite EFCC on Mariam, because Nigeria na Nigeria. You no suppose to spray naira. E be like say dem say Ooni of Ife come correct the this thing, come correct am, e come control the issue, because wetin we be hear that day when she dey spray dollar, e be like say e come control the our Kabiyesi come control the issue, because you know since then I no come see am e dey say e dey spray dollar again, because you no suppose, this is Nigeria, you no suppose to come dey spray. E just as maybe you go UK, you go dey spray naira, you go dey spray naira for there, e doesn't make sense. But e just wan prove to people, as una see am so, she like Mariam like guy, as una see am, see say you know say person wey no be like say e no civilize, I no curse am o, I just dey describe am. Person wey be like say e no wake up, you know, e no civilize, na civilization na. Say e no wake up, say now e don come dey wake up, come dey civilize. You know say as e dey dance, as e dey dance that day, wey Ooni of Ife dey look and just dey laugh. Ooni of Ife go say, which kind wahala I put myself for this kind thing now? Whose kind thing be this one? E be like say Mariam that day don drink, because na only person wey dey drunk na im fit dey dance that kind dance. Person with her ordinary eye, Mariam no go dance, e no go even talk, because Mariam no dey talk, you understand? Mariam no dey talk o, you understand? So Mariam like to be in control. When be say all of them come dey meet and dey beg money, dey ask for money. So the only person wey dem say no do am, dem say Ashley no do am, because Mariam and Ashley na wetin I hear now I go talk o. Dem say Mariam and Ashley no dey follow the same place, you understand? Everybody know that one. Shebi una see am na that time dem do Olojo when he use security take double cross am. You know that period Mariam think say na only she na dey wan marry before dem come announce am pia. You understand? Hey God, Ooni of Ife no be small thing. So wetin go happen now? Na the private jet wey our Kabiyesi dey use, e come get problem. As e come get problem, you know say na no be Ooni of Ife get that private jet, na that e godson, no, na godson dem dey call am, adopted child, son, daughter, na im get am. Jack Elizabeth, Jack Rich, abi Rich Jack Rich. That man wey be say dey hold people money well well, if you go work for am e no go pay you. So instead of am to use the money pay people, e come use am go buy private jet, dey use am dey buga. The private jet na Kabiyesi dey use am. Anytime when Kabiyesi wan go anywhere, the private jet na im Kabiyesi dey carry dey go everywhere. Even that time shebi una see Laide for the private jet. When Laide dey go somewhere, e dey inside with Ooni of Ife. When Ooni of Ife dey sleep, e dey inside the private jet. Shebi una see am. Now instead of before they go repair that one, be like say Elizabeth no like am, e come do competition, because of say that one na e daughter. When e dey carry, when e break the private jet, as that private jet come kaput, na Elizabeth come say okay, now he wan buy private jet. Na Mariam come say private jet, how? Hey, na Mariam come dey, since then you know say anybody when get money pass, according to wetin we dey hear, they say Elizabeth parents na get money pass. They even get contract, something wey Ooni of Ife wan sign for Switzerland, say they even get branch for Switzerland. So now they wan even introduce am to one company when im papa dey control for Switzerland. Na wetin we hear o, you understand? So Ooni of Ife na come carry the girl, come carry Elizabeth, come carry am like God now. Na im dey reign now. When come be say the thing dey cause trouble, Mariam say e no go gree. After everything I have done, every time you with Ooni of Ife dey quarrel, you go say after all I have done for you, you are paying me back with evil. you didn't tell me it's like this, you didn't tell me it's like that. Like say na Ooni of Ife na him say make you dey spend the money. Na you use your money buy seat and love, and you said okay, nobody shall follow you to share the husband. At the end of the day, Ooni of Ife bring another women, and those one now dem dey do competition, dem get money pass you. Elizabeth now don buy Ooni of Ife private jet. Na im make Mariam say e no go gree o, I no go gree o, I no go gree. Private jet.